I'm Georgi. I'm VP of Analytics and Data Science in CrazyLabs, the mobile gaming developer and publisher company. We've been with ClarityQ over the last 1.5 to 2 years. We use it in the analytics department on a daily basis. Last October, when we were working on the game Lamar, we had an issue in the game. We were stuck for a few days. The analysts couldn't find what was the issue that made the users play less and lose the engagement with the product. I tried to attack the issue with ClarityQ, and then immediately, in a span of half an hour, I got the direction which in the end led us to tune and optimize the game experience much better.
Before ClarityQ, the most frustrating part was writing code and queries. It actually requires us writing a lot of lines of complex SQL code, proper aggregations, cleaning of the data unions. This previously had to be done manually and it took a lot of hours. The metrics that ClarityQ can cover, including all of the semantics layer, skills, recipes, and agentic details, it has decreased my time to actually analyze deeper in my game from 4 hours to 40 minutes.
The bigger the dataset, the more the insights. But without a tool like ClarityQ, you won't be able to go into the needed depth fast enough. With ClarityQ, the insights that took days are now hours, if not minutes. Version releases, feature analysis, A/B tests used to take hours, but now it takes us minutes to get those levels of insights. ClarityQ is a tool for everyone. User acquisition managers, the game owners, the game economists, everyone will benefit greatly from using ClarityQ.
ClarityQ is a tool that enables us to do exponentially more.
ClarityQ is mission critical to be able to go into a greater depth and into fast decision making, which is required in the new era of AI.